Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Bong Tours, where every ride tells a story. So today we are with the all new 2025 Hero Glamour X, and despite being a 125 commuter bike, this bike has much more to offer, especially the kind of features this gets in this segment. It's just mind blowing. So let's not waste any more time and start our video. Our first point is design and build quality. So the new Glamour X gets a very good looking aggressive headlight design, H-shaped DRLs, LED indicators and LED tail light. Designed for comfort, this bike features upright wide handlebars and cushioned spacious seat जो कि आपकी हर एक राइड को कंफर्टेबल बनाने की प्रॉमिस रखती है. And in terms of build quality, this bike gets noticeable good paint quality with minimum panel gaps. The diamond steel frame offers good durability with minimum vibration. So overall, I like the fit and finish of this Glamour X. Rest you, let us know in the comment section how did you like the bike in terms of looks. And next, we move on to the next point, engine type. So the all-new Glamour X is powered by a 124.7cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine which pumps out maximum power of 11 bhp at 8,250 rpm and 10.5 Nm of torque at 6,500 rpm. This engine is tuned for refinement and smooth commutes. So in this segment, the power and torque this bike is producing is a little bit higher than the Raider 125, so it can give tough competition to the 125 segment. So the engine is very smooth and refined, and with a long and comfortable seat with very good cushioning, you will not face any kinds of problems, and there is almost no vibration in it. No vibrations, only smooth commutes. So let's move on to the next point, technologies. If you're thinking that being a 125, what are the kinds of technologies this might have? So let me break it down to you. This bike gets a fully LCD multicolor display which clearly shows gear indication, your kilometer range, time, RPM meter and speedometer, and it gets 3 types of riding modes: road, power, eco, and one very special feature which this bike has, which is cruise control. So this is technically the first 125cc with cruise control made in India, and it also gets Bluetooth connectivity, ride by wire and a USB charging port. So being a 125, this bike gets a lot of modern features and you cannot underestimate it. So the next point is braking system. The Glamour X gets 2 types of brakes. In the top variant, it gets 240 mm disc at front, delivering more controlled braking and performance, and 130 mm drum brakes. It doesn't matter if you choose the drum brake variant or the disc variant, you will get drum brakes at the rear only. Whether you choose a disc or drum brake variant, Hero Glamour ensures safety through its integrated braking system CBS. So our next point is dimensions. The Glamour X gets a wheelbase of 1267 mm, seat height is 790 mm, ground clearance is 170 mm with a curb body weight of 127 kg, disc variant, and the drum variant it's 2 kg lighter, which is 125 kgs only. 10 liters of fuel tank capacity which gives out 65 kmpl company claimed mileage. The Glamour X gets 30 mm telescopic forks at front and 5-step preload adjustable twin hydraulic shock absorbers at rear. So this classic setup of suspensions allows riders to tune their suspension according to their comfort preference. So the Hero Glamour X is priced at 90,000, the drum brake variant, and disc brake variant will cost you around 1 lakh, ex showroom Kolkata, and on road will cost you around 1 lakh 10 to 1 lakh 15 based on the variant you are buying. Irrespective of the variant, you will get drum brakes at the rear. There is no options for disc brake at the rear. And overall, this bike is a very good commuter. It has a very smooth and refined engine sound. I hope you like it. And I would like to thank Sri Krishna Hero Premier Showroom for giving us this opportunity to review this bike and test ride it. My riding experience with this bike was very good. And thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel, The Bong Tudors, and ride safe.